Hidden deep within the Earth's crust, gold exists as a treasure that has slept for millions of years.
To find it, geologists must survey the harshest terrains, drilling deep to analyze the soil composition. Once a deposit is confirmed, open-pit mining begins, creating massive excavations that reshape the Earth's surface. Explosives are used with precision to break the hard rock layers, liberating the gold-bearing ore. Colossal excavators work tirelessly, loading tons of raw ore.
Super trucks, with a capacity of hundreds of tons, transport the ore to the processing plant.
At the plant, large boulders are dumped into crushers to be broken down to the size of gravel.
The jaw crusher uses immense compression force to break the solid structure of the ore. This automated conveyor systems transport the crushed ore to the next stage, fine grinding.
In the ball mill, ore is mixed with water and steel balls, grinding it into a fine mud.
The result is a fine ore slurry, where gold has been liberated from the rock, but is still mixed in. The slurry is pumped into massive leaching tanks, where the most critical chemical reaction takes place. A dilute cyanide solution dissolves the solid gold, separating it from the rock impurities. Inactivated carbon is added to absorb the gold. Like a magnet, it attracts and holds the dissolved gold. Once fully loaded with gold, the carbon is separated from the waste slurry through screens.
The elution process uses heat and pressure to strip the gold back off the carbon into a concentrated solution.
Electricity passes through the solution, causing gold to precipitate and cling to steel cathodes.
The raw gold sludge is recovered and placed into an induction furnace at over 1,000 degrees Celsius. At melting point, gold becomes a brilliant liquid. Lighter impurities float up and are removed.
The most mesmerizing moment. Pure liquid gold is poured into the mold.
In just minutes, the liquid metal cools and solidifies into the familiar bar shape.
The bar is rapidly cooled in water to stabilize its structure and clean the surface.
After cleaning off the slag, the true beauty of gold is revealed, shiny and powerful.
The sample is rigorously analyzed to ensure purity meets the 99.99% standard.
Hallmarks verifying quality and origin are stamped onto every single bar.
The final polishing stage brings absolute perfection to the product.
Weight is measured accurately down to the milligram. These bars will become national reserves or raw material for high-end jewelry. From a symbol of love to high-tech microchips, gold is present everywhere.
Through fire and pressure, from raw rock to the eternal symbol of prosperity.